Hello friends, the Huckle family would like to show you how to do some printmaking with a jelly plate. In this video, we are showing you two different ways to print. One is using a purchased jelly plate, and the other is printing on the top of a bowl of gelatin that has been chilled. Ours is 1 cup of boiling water to 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, and we chilled ours overnight. Okay, so while the kids are outside hunting for some leaves and things to print with, I'm going to demonstrate the first one. One of my favorite things to do jelly prints with is actually string. When you lay it down on top of there, it makes really beautiful kind of curling designs, and a longer piece of string is better. Tessa brought me some little pieces here. But the trick is when you put something on the plate, you don't want to move it. So you kind of let it go and don't get overly fussy with it. The truth is that printmaking like this is an experimental process. You can gently scratch into the surface of your plate using the tines of a fork. You could use a Q-tip to bounce some little dots into it, and then your paper is going to suck up the paint wherever it is resting. Okay, so the kids are back from their little nature exploration, and we've got a little dry leaf right here.
That's from me.
That's from you. You did so good, LMA. I like fresh leaves because they're a little less crunchy. Like this guy, I love this nice green leaf.
I did that also.
You did that one also. You're so
Wait,
good.
No, I did that one.
You're so good at finding. Do you want to help me put this one down? Where do you think this one should go?
That one looks kind of like a tiny fern.
A little fern leaf. Ooh, good choice. That's a great spot for that one. All right, and then let's put, how about this one right here? Oh, it stuck to my finger. And Tessa, can you get me a small white paper right there that we can print with?
Here's a stick.
Ooh, a little stick.
Like this?
Good choice, Elmay. Yep. Okay, and so girls, this is how we're gonna print this. We're gonna take our paper. Sometimes I like to curl it as I put it down because that means the middle is gonna make contact before the edges.
Huh.
And Elmay, you wanna kind of poke it with your fingers? It's wiggly, like jelly. Okay, we're gonna...
Can I peel it off?
You want to peel it off? Good job. Sure, go for it. Let's see what we get. Ooh, that is a lovely print. Look at that one. That's beautiful. I can tell that those are things from nature in that print. Awesome job. Let's do another one. Tessa, you want to grab me another paper? So we printed a few more times, and you can get more than one print out of the same arrangement in the paint. As you continue pressing pieces of paper into your plate, you'll find that the prints get lighter and lighter, and you would call that a ghost print.
Because I like it so much.
Okay guys, so this is where I tried to clean my plate and add a second color. This plate was made using 1 package of gelatin to 2 cups of water, and it just wasn't firm enough and it got messed up. So there's a recipe that says you can use some glycerin in with your jelly plate when you make your own, and I would highly recommend that if you have it. Ours did not like being cleaned, so we went back to using the regular jelly plate for ours for a second color. I will post a recipe here for a jelly plate that does use glycerin. It uses quite a lot of it, and we didn't have any at the house. So if you experiment with that, we would love to see what you do, and hopefully that will be successful for you. Printmaking like this is really fun to do when you build up in layers. So you can take the same picture and print again and again in the same spot to layer your colors, and it comes out really beautifully. We also like to remove the string and things on the plate and continue printing until all of the paint or the ink is used up. Thanks for stopping by and watching us play around with printmaking. We wish you lots of luck and creativity on your own adventures, and please share with us if you try something like this at home. Bye-bye.